Pigeons eat without chewing. So how do they break down their food? It all begins with a quick peck, swallowing seeds, grains, and grit whole. The food travels down the esophagus, but not straight to the stomach. This is the crop, a holding area that softens food before digestion begins. Next, the food enters the proventriculus, the first part of the stomach. Then, it moves to the muscular gizzard, the pigeon's secret weapon. This powerful organ uses the swallowed stones, called grit, to grind everything. The gizzard's contractions pulverize the seeds and grit into a digestible paste. Now, the nutrient-rich mixture passes into the coiled small intestine.
Finally, all waste exits through a single multi-purpose opening, the cloaca.
This efficient system even produces a special milk to feed their young. Ever wonder how a cow turns simple grass into energy? It's a complex journey. Unlike us, cows have a specialized four-chamber stomach, starting with the rumen. This massive chamber acts as a fermentation vat, teeming with trillions of microbes. Food then moves to the reticulum, a chamber with a unique honeycomb-like lining. The cow then regurgitates this partially digested food, called cud, to chew it again. This process, rumination, breaks down tough plant fibers and increases surface area for microbes. After being re-swallowed, the finer material passes to the third chamber, the omasum.
Here, water is absorbed and the food pulp is further ground down between its folds.
Finally, the food enters the abomasum, the true stomach, which is like our own. Here, digestive enzymes and acids break down the remaining food and the microbes themselves. This process allows the cow to digest cellulose and harvest protein from its gut bacteria. It's an incredibly efficient system for turning inedible plant matter into life-sustaining energy.
This unique digestive process is what makes ruminants, like cows, so important.
This roast beef looks incredible, Grandma.
It's cooked perfectly. We have so much to be thankful for this year.
So next time you see a cow chewing, you're witnessing a marvel of biology.
Ever wonder how a tiny mouse powers its incredibly fast-paced life? It starts here.
It all begins with their specialized teeth, designed for constant gnawing and grinding. The food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube leading to the stomach. Inside the stomach, powerful acids and enzymes begin the chemical breakdown. From the stomach, this mixture enters the long, winding small intestine. Here, the liver and pancreas send in crucial digestive juices to help. These juices neutralize stomach acid and break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. nutrients are now small enough to be absorbed directly into the bloodstream. But mice eat tough plant matter, which requires an extra step. They have a large cecum, a pouch that acts like a fermentation tank. Here, bacteria break down tough cellulose, releasing even more nutrients. This fermented material is then passed as a special, nutrient-rich dropping. The mouse eats this to absorb all the vitamins and nutrients it missed. Finally, the remaining waste passes through the large intestine, where water is absorbed.
Ever wonder how a chicken turns a simple seed into energy without any teeth?
It all starts with the beak. The journey begins down a tube called the esophagus.
Food doesn't go straight to the stomach. First, it's stored in the crop. Next, it enters the proventriculus, the chicken's true stomach, where acids begin their work.
But the real powerhouse is the gizzard, a muscular organ that acts like teeth. Powerful muscles contract, using the grit to grind the food into a fine paste. This finely ground material then moves into the small intestine for nutrient absorption.
The liver and pancreas add enzymes to help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates.
From there, nutrients are distributed throughout the body, providing vital energy and fuel.
Unique to birds are the ceca, two blind pouches where bacteria ferment tough fibers. Finally, indigestible material passes through the large intestine, where water is reabsorbed.
Everything exits through a single opening called the cloaca, combining solid and liquid waste.
This incredibly efficient system allows chickens to extract maximum nutrition from their food.
From beak to gizzard or intestine, it's a marvel of natural engineering. A powerful process, turning simple grit and grain into the building blocks of life.